For over 25 years, Alarm System Innovators has provided residential, commercial, industrial, and government security services to thousands of satisfied customers throughout the state of Wisconsin. We offer all types of security, fire, surveillance, and access control systems. At Alarm System Innovators, our 24-hour monitoring services are UL listed and FM approved. We have backup facilities nationwide. Therefore, you can always trust you will get a fast response. Here are some of our most trusted customers explaining why they use Alarm System Innovators.
My name is Jim Benz with Ergens Development Partners. I'm a vice president there of the Construction and Design Division. We've been working with Alarm Systems Innovators for about 8 years now. They have done a number of large installations for us. I like Don because his company has shown to be very competitive, very quality oriented. They've followed up with every issue that we need to. They've been timely in their installations, and he's been very honest to work with. If you're looking for a commercial or residential alarm system service, I would highly recommend Don Vincent with ASI.
It's Mike Sharp. I'm the general manager here at Elite Sports Clubs. ASI has provided service for 4 of our clubs for 10 years. I like working with ASI, mostly their customer service and attentive to our needs. If we ever have any problems, things that come up, they're very quick to respond and come right out and help us with any problems we have. Donnie's been great for us. He's always around. He's been very helpful, friendly, and anything, even when we have different situations, he's able to accommodate us and help us out. If you're looking for commercial security services, I recommend Donnie Vincent at Alarm System Innovators.
Chad Bafke, Chief Operating Officer of VJS Construction Services Incorporated. We're a general contractor, design builder, construction manager. We've used ASI services for the last 4 years. We've done installations of security systems in some of our school projects. I've also used them personally for an alarm system in my home. Donnie provides us a personal touch. He always gets back to us and responds to our needs immediately. He cares about our projects and our clients, which is very similar to the model that we have, the business plan that we have at VJS. If you need commercial security services, I recommend you call Donnie Vincent at ASI.
Hi, I'm Donnie Vincent. Call us today for a free on-site evaluation.